Originally from Brazil, Paraguay and Bolivia, the Hyacinth Macaw is the largest of all macaws. It is also the largest of all parrots that fly. It has a stunning blue color all over its body, with a ring of bright yellow around its eye. It is an endangered species. There are an estimated 3 to 4,000 Hyacinth macaws left in the wild. Destruction of their environment, hunting for feathers and food, and illegal poaching for pet trade have contributed to hyacinth's declining numbers. They have a very specific diet. In the wild, they primarily feed on nuts from 2 specific palm trees. These macaws avoid dense and humid forests and prefer to live in semi-open areas and grasslands.